Hello, for engineering student as well as for TGC student, there is a question on improper integral. That is, the question is discuss the convergence of the improper integral that is 0 a to b dx x minus a to the power of p, where p is greater than 0. So here you see that let us consider solution. Let us consider uh, a plus infinity, a plus epsilon, this is epsilon, to b dx x plus a to the power of p. We can take this limit, say epsilon tends to 0. So here now I'm going to integrate it. So taking limit, say epsilon tends to 0, I'm going to integrate it. The integration will be your x plus a to the power of minus p plus 1 by minus p plus 1 from, this is interval is a plus epsilon to this. Now here I'm going to solve it. Here I found that limit epsilon tends to 0. I can write this as 1 minus p. Here this will be x plus a minus common p minus 1. This I can write like this, epsilon b. So here epsilon tends to 0, 1 by 1 minus p, and this will be 1 by x plus a p minus 1, this b. Oh sorry, this is not plus, this is minus. I have made a mistake here. The question it is x minus a, not p. This is x minus a. Here this is x minus a. So here this will be x minus a plus epsilon. Now again limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by 1 minus p, upper limit, this will be 1, b minus a p minus 1, and minus your, this will be when you put the value of a plus epsilon, this will be epsilon to the power p minus 1. So here we can make a conclusion that this epsilon, if your p minus 1 is if this is if p minus 1 here, let me do one thing. Here I have to draw the conclusion for this. The whole thing will be determined by this factor. So limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by epsilon p minus 1. So if this is say infinity, this is infinity, then your answer will be 0. So to become infinity, if I take this or this will be 0, if this will be 0 if p minus a is less than 0, this will become negative, it will go on the numerator, and epsilon 0, that will become 0, that is your p is less than 1, this becomes 0. And if limit epsilon tends to 0, 1 by epsilon power p minus 1 will be tends to infinity if p minus 1 is greater than 0. If this is positive, so this becomes 0, anything divided by 0 it will be infinity, that is p greater than 1. So we conclude that this improper integral a to b dx x minus a to the power of p greater than 0 is convergent. This is convergent if p is less than 1, and divergent, this is divergent if p is greater than 1.